Hi, I'm Ruben McRae, lead residential installer at Integrity Blinds and Shutters. If you have shades that use Somfy Motorization, there are a few important tips that you'll need for programming the remote. In this video, we'll cover the steps for how to set the limits and create favorite positions. To change the upper or lower limits, first move the shade to its current programmed limit. Next, hold the up and down buttons simultaneously. Hold until you see the shade jog. Next, use the up and down buttons to reposition the shade to the desired limit. Press and hold the My button until the shade jogs to confirm it's accepted the update. To set your shade to move to a favorite position on the window, first move the shade to the desired location. Press and hold the My button until you see the shade jog. For more tips on how to care for your window treatments, check out the other videos on our channel or visit our website at integrityshutters.com.